Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, power sunroof, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.